Why does your scanner show the P1032 engine code? What does it mean? P1032 is a diagnostic trouble code for air-fuel ratio. Sensor 1 heater control circuit high in bank 1. It indicates that the current amperage in bank 1's heated air-fuel ratio sensor 1 heater circuit is out of the normal range. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty oxygen sensor. Damaged sensor wiring. Poor connection at sensor connector. Faulty engine control module. Camshaft timing issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Volkswagen, Dodge, and Peugeot. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.